Step into your dream abode nestled in the heart of the charming city of Cardiff. Introducing Park Place Student Accommodation, an epitome of opulent living where every detail exudes elegance and sophistication. Take your pick from a selection of thoughtfully designed and tastefully furnished studios, each of which features a cozy bed, dedicated study area, mirror, and a large smart TV, complete with a luxurious private bathroom and a well-equipped spacious kitchen. What's more, giggle in the warm and inviting atmosphere of the spacious hub and satiate your caffeine cravings in the coffee lounge. Ace your academic game in the private study room, and when saturation strikes, soak in the fresh air in the open terrace. And the cherry on top? Utility bills are included, saving you a significant amount of money. When it's time to unleash your academic potential, University of Wales and Cardiff University are both a short stroll away. With a plethora of top-rated restaurants, cafes, and shopping malls right in the neighborhood, you're literally in the middle of all action. On weekends, head to Cardiff Castle or Butte Park to unveil the wonders of Cardiff, or enjoy a sundowner with pals at the Central Bar, J.D. Wetherspoon. With easy access to major transportation services and bustling city centers, you'll enjoy the best of both worlds, while saving big on time and money. So, what's holding you back? Head straight to amberstudent.com and book your exquisite stay at Vita Student Park Place today.